Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today we're diving into something absolutely essential for English learners, talking about your feelings and emotions effectively. Understanding how to express what's happening inside your heart makes communication deeper, richer, and genuinely meaningful. Mental health professionals consistently emphasize that sharing emotions reduces stress, anxiety, and helps us connect authentically. If you enjoy learning practical English skills, please subscribe to this channel and like this video now. Let me start with basic feelings vocabulary that forms the foundation of emotional expression in English. Happy, sad, angry, and scared are the four fundamental emotions every beginner absolutely needs to master first. However, English offers incredibly specific words that capture subtle emotional nuances you experience throughout your daily life. Frustrated describes that feeling when something blocks your progress and you cannot move forward despite trying hard. Overwhelmed means having too many responsibilities, tasks, or emotions hitting you all at once simultaneously without relief. Anxious captures worry about future events, creating physical tension and mental distress before anything actually happens. Disappointed happens when reality fails to meet your expectations, leaving you deflated and somewhat sad inside. Write in the comments which specific emotion from this list you experience most frequently in your life. Now let's discuss grammar structures that native speakers use when expressing feelings in natural, conversational English today. The phrase "I feel" focuses attention on temporary emotional states that change depending on circumstances around you. For example, "I feel happy right now" emphasizes this particular moment rather than your overall personality traits. Conversely, "I am" suggests more permanent characteristics or longer-lasting states that define who you are generally. Saying "I am a happy person" describes your typical disposition, not just today's temporary mood fluctuations. Understanding this distinction prevents confusion and helps you communicate your emotional state with impressive precision and clarity. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and like this video so more learners discover it. Adverbs of intensity add color, depth, and accuracy when you describe exactly how strongly you feel something. A bit means slightly or just a little, indicating mild emotions that don't overwhelm your current state. Quite suggests a moderate level, noticeable but not extreme, fitting most everyday emotional experiences you encounter regularly. Very intensifies feelings significantly, showing strong emotions that capture most of your attention and affect your behavior. Extremely and completely represent the highest intensity levels, indicating feelings dominating everything else in your consciousness right now. English idioms add personality and cultural authenticity to emotional expression, making your speech sound genuinely natural and fluent. Over the moon means extremely happy, beyond regular happiness, as if you're floating in space with joy. Down in the dumps describes profound sadness, feeling stuck in a dark, unpleasant place emotionally without escape. On edge means nervous and anxious, constantly expecting something bad to happen at any unpredictable moment soon. These colorful expressions appeared in English throughout centuries, with "over the moon" gaining popularity during the 20th century. Asking others about their feelings requires sensitivity, appropriate timing, and genuine care to avoid seeming intrusive or pushy. "How are you feeling" combines directness with warmth, inviting honest sharing without applying uncomfortable pressure on anyone. "Is everything okay?" shows concern while giving space, allowing people to share or decline without awkwardness. "You seem upset today" demonstrates observation skills and opens conversation doors gently, showing you genuinely care deeply. I'd love to hear what specific phrases you use when checking on friends, so share those examples below. Responding with empathy builds trust and strengthens relationships, creating safe spaces where people feel heard and valued. That sounds really difficult. Validates their experience without minimizing pain or offering premature solutions to complex problems. "I'm here for you" provides reassurance and support, showing commitment to staying present through their challenging times. "Thank you for sharing" takes courage, acknowledges vulnerability, making future emotional conversations feel safer and more comfortable overall. Cultural differences significantly affect emotional expression across English-speaking countries, influencing what feels appropriate in various social contexts. British culture traditionally values emotional restraint, though younger generations increasingly embrace openness about mental health and feelings. American culture generally encourages direct emotional expression, with therapy and feelings discussions normalized in mainstream media significantly. Australian communication blends directness with humor, often using lighthearted language even when discussing somewhat serious emotional topics. Understanding these cultural nuances helps you navigate conversations appropriately, depending on your specific audience and communication goals. Practice expressing feelings regularly through journaling, conversations with friends, or even talking to yourself in English daily. Start simple with basic emotions, then gradually incorporate more specific vocabulary as your confidence grows over time. Record yourself speaking about emotions, then listen back to identify areas needing improvement in pronunciation or fluency. Join online English conversation groups where learners practice discussing feelings in supportive, judgment-free environments together regularly. Remember that talking about feelings isn't weakness, but rather demonstrates emotional intelligence, maturity, and genuine strength of character. Bottling emotions creates stress, damages relationships, and prevents authentic connection with people who genuinely care about you. English gives you powerful tools to express your inner world precisely, helping others understand you completely. Mastering emotional vocabulary transforms your communication, making interactions deeper, more satisfying, and genuinely meaningful in every context. So if you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. What emotions do you find hardest to express in English? And which phrases will you start using? Write your detailed answers in the comments below, because I read every single one and love hearing thoughts.